Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily add highlights on Instagram without having to post on stories. So let's jump right into it. First let's open Instagram and then go to your profile by tapping on the bottom right corner. From there tap on the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. Tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down until you find hide story and live, tap on it and then tap on hide story and live from. In here, select all of your followers. After that, go ahead and post a story and nobody will be able to see it since all of the followers are restricted from seeing it. After posting it, go to your profile by tapping on the bottom right. Tap on the plus next to story highlights and select the story that you have just posted and then tap on next. After that, give it a name and tap on done on the top right corner. And just like that, the highlight is added to your profile without nobody seeing the story or seeing that you have posted it at all. Now after 24 hours, you can go ahead and go to your settings and remove the restriction from your followers to see your story, and that way they won't see the story, but they will see the highlights. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.